Hi everyone! In today's video, we're diving into Photoshop's revolutionary Generative Fill tool. This AI-powered feature allows you to transform your images effortlessly. We'll explore how to change outfits, enhance backgrounds, add jewelry, and even modify products, all with just a few clicks and text prompts. Let's see how natural and stunning the results can be. Let's use Generative Fill to change the girl's outfit in this image. First, make a rough selection around her top. Don't worry about precision. You can use any tool of your choice. Here, I'll use the polygonal lasso tool. Apply a feather. I'll set it to 5px to soften the edges. Make sure your selection extends slightly beyond the top to include a bit of the surrounding area. This helps ensure a natural blend when applying Generative Fill. Now, simply click on Generate, or you can type a prompt of your choice. Here, I'll type pink dress as the prompt. It will take a moment to process and then present us with 3 results. You can pick the one you like best. To save time, I'll fast forward to the results, and here we go. As you can see, we've got 3 options. Some might look a bit unnatural, but don't worry, you can always try again for better results. I like this one, so I'll select it. See the before and after. Now, let's change her watch. We'll follow the same process. First, make a selection around the watch. Once you've made the selection, enter the prompt black leather watch and click on Generate. After a few moments, you'll see the results. Here's option 1, option 2, and option 3. These look great, but let's experiment with something different. Hold Ctrl or Command key on Mac and click on the mask to reselect the area. Now, change the prompt to gold bracelet and click Generate again. Let it process. And here are the options. Option 1, option 2, and option 3. These are awesome. I'll go with this one. Now, let's add sunglasses to her head. We'll follow the same process. First, make a selection where the sunglasses would fit naturally. Once the selection is ready, enter the prompt sunglasses and click Generate. After a moment, the results will appear. I'll go with this one. Let's clean up the table. Start by making a selection around the table. This time, we won't enter any prompt. Just click Generate. Let it process, and after a moment, the table is clean. Generative Fill has done a great job. However, you might notice some reflection of the earphone left behind. That's because the selection should have been extended slightly. Now, let's place a flower bouquet on the table. Start by making a selection where the bouquet should be. Enter Flower Bouquet in the prompt and click Generate. Let it process. And after a moment, here are the results. I'll go with this one. Now, let's add an earring. Start by making a selection where the earring should be placed. Enter earring in the prompt and click Generate. Let it process. And in a moment, here are the results. These look great, and I'll go with this one. And that's it. Look at the before and after. What an incredible transformation. Generative Fill has truly brought this image to life, making creative edits seamless and fun. Whether it's changing outfits, adding accessories, or transforming the background, the possibilities are endless. I hope you like this video. Be sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll always be in the loop for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay with us and never stop creating.